Om. Om. Om Ganana Tva Ganapatikum Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashrumbannotibhisseedasadanam Om Shri Mahaganapataye Namaha Om Shri Saraswatye Namaha Om Namah Pranavartaya Shuddha-jnanaikamurtaye Nirmalaya Prashantaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha Sadashiva-samarambham Shankaracharya-madhyamam Asmadacharya-paryantam Vande Guru-paramparam Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurureva Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Chinmayam Vyapi Yat Sarvam, Trailokyam Sacharacharam, Tatpadam Darshitam Yena, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Okay. We need to just do a revision, right? I think we finished third Anuvaka also. Let's do. What we'll do is, Krishnan, are you okay with the last few lines of the third Anuvaka?
I think I can catch up. I don't
Okay.
want to slow you guys down, so we can continue from where you want to. I'll try to catch up.
What we'll do is, I can see first is Indivar, second me. That's what you see, right, in your gallery view? Indivar, me, Sunita ji, Ashish, Shanti ji, Pravina ji,
I think we
Krishna.
lost you.
That is the order?
It's frozen.
Or not?
Chandrachar, we lost you.
Can you hear me?
No.
It's
Now
I
we
can
can.
hear you, but it's breaking up.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's not the best connection.
Oh, I couldn't hear him at all. Only that question was there. It was
Oh.
frozen completely.
Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om.
Now, yeah, yep.
Oh, okay. Too many devices, I guess. Kids are using 2 devices. Aparna using a cell phone. So, right? Okay, that's what I was asking. The order, right? In the word first, me, Sunita ji, Ashish, Shanti ji, Pravina ji, Krishnan. Is that the order you see on the?
You're still breaking. You said something about order, but you're still breaking.
Oh, really? Can you hear me? Hari Om.
Yeah, the order changes depending upon who logged in first, later, etc. So
Correct. But
it
now it
might
is
be
fixed.
different for you, different for us.
Oh, now what order do you see in the gallery view? In the word.
I see always I'm the first, so then you, then Sunita ji, then Ashish, then Shanti ji, then Pravina ji, and in the end Krishnan.
Yeah, that's
because
what I
that
see.
could be the order in which. Okay. That could be the order in which people have logged in into Zoom. So
But
if
my
I log
order
out
is
and I log in,
different.
So your
Yeah.
order is different?
Yeah, mine too. I think it not just the logged in order, depends on who is speaking also. I think it moves up and down on who is speaking.
Oh, okay. My image does not move up and down, but
Isn't it just? Oh, it's
We
not
can
just
go with the
I thought it was
alphabetical order.
alphabetical
if you
order.
want.
I thought it was alphabetical order.
Pravina ji is playing safe. P comes after C and A and
Srinivas, I can't trick you no matter what. I did think about it. You're not eligible in this group, Indivar. You're too smart to be in this group.
Pravina, given a chance, we would have been in my pre-K class. They would have gone further, way further ahead. I tell everybody.
We have a place somewhere. I'm happy about that, Shantiji. That's all we need.
Yes,
Somewhere.
yes.
So
No, we
what
can
I
go in
was
alphabetical order if we want. Sorry.
Oh.
Chandraj.
so yeah, what I was saying, okay, that order can be then Indivar, okay, or me first rather. Me, Indivar, Sunita ji, Ashish, Shanti ji, Pravina ji, Krishnan. Got it? So I
What
will
is
not.
this? Sorry. What is this order for, Chandraji?
number
Order for
3.
chanting.
Third Anuvaka
Oh.
chanting.
Okay.
Now third
I
and
Order
I
of
missed
division.
that part. I couldn't hear that part before. Okay.
third and fourth. So you, since we have two namos, right? See, second, third, and also fourth Anuvaka have one namo and namo at the end. I think from the fifth, that namo comes only once in the beginning, right?
Right.
Must have
That's
observed
right.
that. Namo hiranyabahave se nanye dishan chapataye namo. So that namo comes in the beginning, namo comes at the end. That will continue in the next Anuvaka also. Two namos. But from the next, after that, only one namo in the beginning, right? So you can say, you can end at the second namo after 3 lines each. Each one will get 3 lines. I will not ask you to unmute and then immediately you have to continue. Round robin. Okay? Don't take time to unmute. Be on unmute only, maybe. That's fine. Immediately you have to pick up. Once I stop, Indivar will pick up without a gap. Okay. Okay. I'll start with the
So-
easy one then.
Chandraji, we are doing second and third Anvakas?
Yeah.
Only third, right?
Second and third.
Third. So after third Namo, you are stopping there.
Yeah. You take 3 lines and then stop. The next one person will get that cue. Once you stop, you'll pick up. Maybe at the second namo you stop, right?
Just
Like,
remember the previous person.
Order once again, Chandraji. Sorry.
See, I told you. You have to remember the previous person.
Yeah. That's
yeah.
what I am doing. I remembered Indivarji. After Indivarji, it's me.
I remember
After
Chandra.
After Sunita ji,
Shanti ji,
Ashish.
to make sure.
After Ashish, Shanti ji. After Shanti ji, Pravina ji. After Pravina ji, Krishnan ji. Okay. So Krishnan is last. That everybody will remember. I am the first.
In
everybody will
fact,
remember.
you should move me to Krishnanji and Krishnanji further up. That will make it better.
I want everybody to be better.
Yes.
Okay. So round robin, no pause. Okay. This we can do in Gita also, Ashish. Shambhave Namah. Namaste Astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya Trambakaya Tripurantakaya Trikalagnikalaya Kalagnirudraya Neelakantaya मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः।
नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनान्ये दिशां च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्पिञ्जराय त्विषीमते पथीनां पतये नमो नमो
बब्लुषाय विव्याधिने नानां पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्ठानां पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगतां पतये नमो नमो
रुद्राय तताविने क्षेत्राणां पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्थपतये वृक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो
नमो नमो मन्त्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृताय औषधीनां पतये नमो नम उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्नीनां पतये नमो नमः
नमो नमः कृत्स्नवीताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः नमः सहमानाय निर्व्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पतये नमो नमः ककुभाय निषङ्गिने स्थेनानां पतये नमो नमो
निषङ्गिन इषुधिमते निषङ्गिन इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्चते परिवञ्चते स्थायूनां पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः
ऋकाविभ्यो जिगागुंसद्भ्यो मुष्णतां पतये नमो नमोऽसिमद्भ्यो नक्तञ्चरद्भ्यः प्रकृन्तानां पतये नमो नमः
उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुलुञ्चानां पतये नमो नम इषुमद्भ्यो दन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिदधानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः
आयच्छद्भ्यो विसृजद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमोऽस्यद्भ्यो विद्यद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आसीनेभ्यः शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः
स्वपद्भ्यो जागृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो
नमो नमो अश्वेभ्योऽश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः
Continue Pravinaji with the second anvar.
नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनान्ये दिशां च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्पिञ्जराय त्विषीमते पत्नीनां पतये नमो नमो
बब्लुषाय विव्याधिने नानां पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पृष्ठानां पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगतां पतये नमो नमो
रुद्राय तथा विने क्षेत्राणां पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्तपतये वृक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो
मन्त्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृताय औषधीनां पतये नमो नम उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्तीनां पतये नमो नमः कृष्णवीताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः
नमः सहमानाय निव्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पतये नमो नमः ककुभाय निषङ्गिणे स्तेनानां पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिण इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो
वञ्चते परिवञ्चते स्थायूनां पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः ऋखाविभ्यो जिघागंसद्भ्यो मुष्णतां पतये नमो नमो
नमो नमोऽस्मद्भ्यो नक्तञ्चरद्भ्यः प्रकृन्तानां पतये नमो नमः उष्टीशिने गिरिचराय कुलुञ्चानां पतये नमो नमः इषुमद्भ्यो दन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः
आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिदधानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आयच्छद्भ्यो विसृजद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमोऽस्यद्भ्यो विद्यद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः
आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिददानेभ्यश्च
आसीनेभ्य नम आसीनेभ्यः शयाने.
I lost the.
Oh, is it?
It is the third, last two lines of the third Anuvaka.
Third Anuvaka, right. Asinebhya.
So ayachadbhyo, that is done.
Yeah,
Yeah.
done.
Ayushadbhyo Visyadbhyo Namo Namo
Okay.
Sadbhyo Vidyadbhyascha.
I'm sorry, I'm there. Okay, I got it. I'm sorry. आसीनेभ्यः शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वपद्भ्यो जाग्रद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः
Continue.
सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्योऽश्वपदिभ्यश्च वो नमः.
Yeah. So who was the weakest link? You know the weakest link game.
Obviously, I was the one because I broke it.
We will vote. Everybody will vote. That's okay. So
If you give
Samadhana.
opportunity for everybody to vote, everybody will self-nominate.
Oh, they won't nominate others.
They will not nominate others.
Okay. So who did what? Any mistake? Who did what mistakes? What? No. How can we say?
I think I noted a couple of them, not everything, but I think everything has come well. But maybe because Krishnanji, you have not attended the last class, so there could be one thing. Namo in the last line, right? Sabhapati bhyascha vo namo namo. There is a pause. After that, it is asvebhyo. That is the only thing that you just have to.
Yeah, Krishnan, do the last 3 lines. Okay.
Yeah, that would be good. Yeah.
Okay. Namo nama asinebhyasya yane. Namo nama asinebhyasya yanebhyascha vo namo nama swapadbhyo jagradbhyascha vo namo namas तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्योऽश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः.
Again do it.
नमो नमः आसीनेभ्यश्च यानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वपद्भ्यो जाग्रद्भ्यश्च वो नमो तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्योऽश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः.
Ashish, do asinebhya to tishtadbhyo.
Say it again. You broke up a little bit.
Asinebhya, right? Nama asinebhya to tishtadbhyo.
Okay. Namo nama asinebhyascha yanebhyascha vo namo namasvapadbhyo jagradbhyascha vo namo namastishthadbhyo
Jagradbhyascha vo namo. That Swarita has to go up nicely. Huh?
jagradbhyascha jagradbhyascha. Okay.
Pravinaji, do namo nama atanvanebhya.
Namo nama atanvanebhyah pratidhadhanebhyascha vo namo nama.
Continue.
Namo nama ayachadbhyo visrajadbhyascha vo namo namosyadbhyo vidyadbhyascha vo namo nama. Namo nama visrajadbhyascha. I'm not doing Swarita on here, Chandraji.
No, you were doing. I just want to see again.
Oh, okay. Visrajadbhyascha. Visrajadbhyascha. Do you want me to continue, Chandraji?
Oh, all good then. I heard Shantiji also did a few, of course, 1 or 2, but I don't remember now.
Lucky one today.
Okay. Now, let's go to 4th. Shantiji. Nama avyadhinebhyo. 4th Anuvaka.
Yes. So for second hour, right? Even still we do the break or first only break? That was my long question.
Where?
For Nama, after Nama, you give a little pause or no?
No, because it's
No.
only a
Only
Hraswa, not a
second.
Dirgha.
Sorry. Nama avyadhini.
Avyadhi.
Nama avyadhini.
Avyadhinibhyo.
Avyadhinibhyo. Nama avyadhinibhyo.
Nama avyadhinibhyo.
Nama avyadhinibhyo. Nama avyadhinibhyo.
Vividhyantibhyascha vo.
Vividhyantibhyascha vo. Vividhyantibhyascha vo.
Nama avyadhinibhyo vividhyantibhyascha vo.
Nama avyadhini.
Avyadhi. Avya.
Nama avyadhini. Avyadhinibhyo. Nama avyadhinibhyo vividhyantibhyascha vo.
Nama avyadhinibhyo vividhyantibhyascha vo namo namah.
Nama avyadhinibhyo vividhyantibhyascha vo namo namah.
Namo namah.
Namo namah. Namo namah. Nama avyadhinibhyo vividhyantibhyascha vo namo namah.
Nama avyadhinibhyo vividhyantibhyascha vo namo namah.
Nama avyadhinibhyo vividhyantibhyascha vo namo namah. Nama avyadhinibhyo vividhyantibhyascha vo namo namah.
You can be, don't have to be so tight. Let it
Okay.
flow nicely. Vividhyanti, no. It's like you should be little give some freedom to the aksharas because otherwise there'll be bondage for them.
Yes.
Okay, let it flow. Give some moksha to them. Be a little bit of compassion. Okay.
Ashish is having fun.
Nama avyadhinibhyo vividhyantibhyascha vo namo namah.
Nama avyadhinibhyo vividhyantibhyascha vo namo namah. Nama avyadhinibhyo vividhyantibhyascha vo namo namah.
Others are doing it right. Others are doing it right. Unmute. Okay. Namo nama uganabhya
नमो नमः उगणाभ्य
उगणाभ्य
नमो नमः उगणाभ्य नमो नमः उगणाभ्य
अणा नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्तृघंहतीभ्यश्च उगणाभ्यस्तृगंहतीभ्यश्च स्त्रुगंहतीभ्यश्च उगणाभ्यस्तृगंहतीभ्यश्च
नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्तृगंहतीभ्यश्च नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्तृगं right strugam
उगणाभ्यस्त्रगं
उगणाभ्यस्त्रगं हतीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्त्रगं हतीभ्यश्च वो नमो
if you split it, it will be uganabhya
namo
trigamhatibhya. So namo nama uganabhyastrigamhatibhyascha.
नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्त्रगंहतीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्त्रगंहतीभ्यश्च वो नमो
Okay. Namo nama uganabhyastrigamhatibhyascha vo namo namo.
नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्त्रगंहतीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्त्रगंहतीभ्यश्च वो नमो
Nama avyadhinibhyo vividyantibhyascha vo namo nama uganabhyastrughamvatibhyascha vo namo namo.
नमः आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्त्रगंहतीभ्यश्च वो नमो one more time.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good.
First time right. FTR.
Thanks.
Let's see. Sunita ji, do it.
नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्त्रगंहतीभ्यश्च वो नमो one more time.
Yeah, 2 times.
नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्त्रगंहतीभ्यश्च वो नमो
Pravina ji.
नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्त्रगंहतीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आव्याधिनी ईभ्यो विविध्यन्तीभ्यस्
विविध्यन्ति
विविध्यन्ति विविध्यन्ति विविध्यन्ति विविध्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्तृगं हतीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो
उगणा
उगणा उगणाभ्यस्तृगं हतीभ्यश्च उगणाभ्यस्तृगं हतीभ्यश्च
Yeah, Krishnan.
नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्तृगं हतीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्तृगं हतीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो
Ashish.
नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्तृगं हतीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्तृगं हतीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो
Indiva.
नाम आव्याधिनेभ्यो विविध्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्त्रगं हतीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो नम आव्याधिनेभ्यो विविध्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्त्रगं हतीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो
Yeah. So the salutation, Nama, continuing. So the Sarvatmatvam, right, is there everywhere. Rudra, here in the form of the female forces. Here, especially the female power, the Shaktis are mentioned here. So those that strike us in different ways. Avyadhini bhyaha. Vyadhini, avyadhini, asamantat, always. I mean, continuously, they in the form of anything, diseases, female power, usually. Avyadhini bhyaha, vividyanti bhyaha. So those are in the form of that female Shaktis that strike us in different forms. Vividyanti, and then Ugana, Uganabhya means Gana, group. Ugana, Utkrishtagana. Utkrishtam, the best. Utkrishtam. Nikrishtam is there. So Uganabhya means there's the 7 Uganas, the 7 female powers. Right? There's a Saptamatrikas, they call it. Saptamatrika. The 7 female Shaktis like Vaishnavi, Varahi, Brahmi, something like that. It goes on. 7 female deities. So Vaishnavi from the Shakti of Vishnu, Brahmi from Brahmaji, something like that. Indrani from Indra Devata, Varahi from Varahamurti. All these 7 deities, the blessing, they bless us. So Uganabhya, to those in the form of Rudra is in the form of them. Rudra himself is in the form of them. Uganabhya. Again, Trugam Hati. Stru means that Stru is Sandhi. Uganabhyas. Strugam Hatibhyast. Trugam. Trugam Hati means again that which hurt us in different ways. Right? That which harm us in powerful, those powerful Shaktis that harm us in different ways. It could be anything. Any calamities also. That's why they name hurricanes or cyclones after female Shakti. Right. So
For sure, he's not talking about wife, right?
That is Adi Shakti.
I'll
You
steer
guys
clear
have
of
to
that.
respect like
Because
that.
Aparna is here.
But perfect for Navratri is starting and we are doing this Anuvaka. Very nice.
Nice, yes, yeah. In Navaratri, 9 different deities they mention. Separate. Did you hear it is Sapta Matrakas, they say. Means, okay. Okay.
What is Truhitibhyam? What is that?
Trumhatibhya. That's true. That's is Sandhi. Trumhati means same. Those who are in the form of those powerful Shaktis that harm us. Trumhatya. Trumhati. Hatya. That will harm us. So we are praying to Ishvara, Rudra, so that they kept at a distance. Okay. But then they are Rudra only. Because Sarvatmatvam we are talking about. Nothing is excluded from Rudra. Everything is he. Right? Uganabhyastrugam vatibhyascha vo namo namo. Namo namo gritsebhyo gritsapatibhyascha vo namo namo. Pravinaji. Namo namo gritsebhyo.
Namo namo gritsebhyo. Namo namo gritsebhyo.
Gritsebhyo.
Gritsebhyo. Gritsebhyo.
Gritsebhyo gritsapatibhyascha.
Gritsebhyo gritsapatibhyascha. Gritsebhyo gritsapatibhyascha. Gritsapatibhyascha.
Gritsapatibhyascha vo namo namo.
Gritsapatibhyascha vo namo namo. Gritsapatibhyascha vo namo namo.
Namo namo gritsebhyo gritsapatibhyascha vo namo namo.
Namo namo gritsebhyo gritsapatibhyascha vo namo namo. Namo namo gritsebhyo gritsapatibhyascha vo namo namo.
Yeah, now you got the trick, I think. You're nicely holding that gritsapati. That's good. Namo namo gritsebhyo gritsapatibhyascha vo namo namo.
Namo namo gritsebhyo gritsapatibhyascha vo namo namo. Namo namo gritsebhyo gritsapatibhyascha vo namo namo.
Namo namo
Dirgha Swarita, right, Chandraji?
Yeah. Vratebhyo.
I lost you, Chandraji. Sorry.
Can you hear me? Hari Om.
I didn't hear you earlier, Chandraji. Now I can hear you.
Okay. Namo vratebhyo.
Namo Vratebhyo. Namo Vratebhyo.
Vratebhyo vratapatibhyascha.
Vratebhyo Vratapatibhyascha. Vratebhyo Vratapatibhyascha.
Same thing, that Swarita. Vrate that instead of doing that, it has to be smoothly go. So same. Dirgha Swarita. Namo vratebhyo vratapatibhyascha.
Namo Vratebhyo Vratapatibhyascha. Vratebhyo.
That's okay. I will get it. That's fine. Continue.
Okay. Namo Vratebhyo Vratapatibhyascha.
Namo vratebhyo vratapatibhyascha. Vo namo.
Namo Vratebhyo Vratapatibhyascha. Vo namo. Namo Vratebhyo Vratapatibhyascha. Vo namo.
Namo gritsebhyo gritsapatibhyascha. Vo namo vratebhyo vratapatibhyascha. Vo namo.
Namo Gritsebhyo Gritsapatibhyascha. Vo namo Vratebhyo Vratapatibhyascha. Vo namo. Namo Gritsebhyo Gritsapatibhyascha. Gritsebhyo. Namo Gritsebhyo Gritsapatibhyascha. Vo namo Vratebhyo Vratapatibhyascha. Vo namo.
Shanti ji.
Namo Gritsebhyo Gritsapatibhyo. Namo Gritsebhyo Gritsapati. Namo Gritsebhyo Gritsapatirbhyascha. Vo namo Vratebhyo Vratapatirbhyascha. Vo namo.
No ra. Don't say vratapatir. Na. Vratapatibhyascha. Same thing with gritsapatibhyascha. No ra. Gritsapatibhyascha. That's it. No ra.
Namo Gritsebhyo Gritsapatibhyascha. Vo namo Vratebhyo Vratapatibhyascha. Vo namo.
Can you hear me? Hari Om.
Yes.
Krishnan, do from the beginning.
नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगुंहतीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो प्रातेभ्यो प्रातपदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगुंहतीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो प्रातेभ्यो व्रातपदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो
So Grutsebhyo, Grutsapati. Grutsebhyo, to those in the form of the greedy ones. Grutsapati, the lord of the greedy ones. Greedy means all the values, all the other you can add. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, all are vrittis in the mind. We are also in a way. Lobha is there, Kama is there. So he's the lord of the greedy ones also, in a way, right? Grutsapati, and then Vratebhyo. Vratas means different people with different vrittis, different small vrittis, some small occupations they do, small time, right? So different castes we have in India, right? Some people doing small occupations, unskilled people. Vratebhya, to those who are born out of different castes, and he is the lord of them. Ratapatibhyascha, okay? Ratapatibhyascha wo namo namo. Sunitaji. Namo namo ganebhyo ganapatibhyascha wo namo namo. Namo namo ganebhyo.
Namo namo ganebhyo. Namo namo ganebhyo.
Namo namo ganebhyo ganapatibhyascha.
Namo namo ganebhyo ganapatibhyascha. Namo namo ganebhyo ganapatibhyascha.
Namo namo ganebhyo ganapatibhyascha wo namo namo.
Namo namo ganebhyo ganapatibhyascha wo namo namo. Namo namo ganebhyo ganapatibhyascha wo namo namo.
Namo namo virupebhyo.
Namo namo virupebhyo. Namo namo virupebhyo.
Namo namo virupebhyo vishvarupebhyascha wo namo namo.
Namo namo virupebhyo vishvarupebhyascha wo namo namo. Namo namo virupebhyo vishvarupebhyascha wo namo namo.
Yeah, that ru is dirgham. We got it, right? That. Namo namo ganebhyo ganapatibhyascha vo namo namo virupebhyo vishvarupebhyascha vo namo namo.
Namo namo ganebhyo ganapatibhyascha vo namo namo virupebhyo vishvarupebhyascha vo namo namo. Namo namo ganebhyo ganapatibhyascha vo namo namo virupebhyo vishvarupebhyascha vo namo namo.
Ashish, do from gritsebhyo. Namo namo gritsebhyo.
Namo namo gritsebhyo gritsapatibhyascha vo namo namo. Namo namo gritsebhyo gritsapatibhyascha vo namo namo.
No, complete up to where we stop. Vishvarupebhyascha.
Okay. Namo namo gritsebhyo gritsapatibhyascha vo namo namo vrateebhyo vratapatibhyascha vo namo namo ganebhyo ganapatibhyascha vo namo namo virupebhyo vishvarupebhyascha vo namo namo. Should I do it again? Okay. Namo namo gritsebhyo gritsapatibhyascha vo namo namo vrateebhyo vratapatibhyascha vo namo namo ganebhyo ganapatibhyascha vo namo namo virupebhyo vishvarupebhyascha vo namo namo.
Never do from the beginning. Avyadinibhyo.
Nama avyadhinebhyo vividhyantebhyascha vo namo nama uganabhyastrigum hatibhyascha vo namo namo gritsebhyo gritsapatibhyascha vo namo namo pratebhyo vratapatibhyascha vo namo namo ganebhyo ganapatibhyascha vo namo namo.
Continue. Virupebhyo vishvaru.
Virupebhyo vishvarupebhyascha vo namo namo.
Yeah. Shantiji, do the last one.
Any mistakes in that?
No, good. That's good. Did any find anything wrong? Anything all correct? Anybody?
Yeah, I see an element of doubt on Sunitaji's face, so that's why.
Oh, yeah.
I found one thing.
Yeah, see,
There you go.
I'm reading minds also these days. Yeah, go ahead, tell me.
It's a small one. Second one, Namo, Nama, it didn't go Nama down.
Yeah,
So there.
I too realized that I was waiting for somebody.
Second one means Ugana, before Ugana.
Before Ugana.
Okay.
Yeah, Namo, Nama, Ugana.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So it's all power of Rudram. You're reading minds also now. Good. Okay.
I think he just inserted that just to test people.
Yeah.
Yeah, true. I can't read minds.
Shantiji, do the last. Where did we start?
Now,
Grit.
Ganapati.
Ah,
Namo Namo Ganebhyo Ganapatibhyascha.
Namo Namo Ganebhyo.
Namo Namo Ganebhyo Ganapatibhyascha. Namo Namo Virupebhyo Vishwarupebhyascha. Namo Namo. Namo Namo Ganebhyo Ganapatibhyascha. Namo Namo Virupebhyo Vishwarupebhyascha. Namo Namo.
Namo Namo Virupebhyo Vishwarupebhyascha. Namo Namo.
Namo Namo Virupebhyo Vishwarupebhyascha. Namo Namo.
Pravina ji, continue. Namo Namo Mahadbhyaha. After Vishwarupebhyascha Namo Namo.
Namo Namo Mahadbhyaha. Namo Namo Mahadbhyaha.
So after this, there is a pause because after Visarga, there is a Kshakara. Whenever there is a Ksha after Visarga, should completely pronounce the Visarga. Whenever there is a Ksha after Visarga, completely pronounce the Visarga. That's why we are saying Mahadbhyaha. Instead of saying Mahadbhyakshulla, we are saying Mahadbhyaha. Pause. Kshulakebhyascha. Because Ksha, that Kshakara is a rule in Sanskrit. Right? Always pronounce the Visarga completely because other Visargas are Visarjaniyam. Visarjaniyam means we are not pronouncing, right? You're not pronouncing completely. But when there's a Kshakara in between, of course, at the end, when Visarga comes, we pronounce definitely. Yeah. At the end of the sentence, definitely yes. But in between, you have to pronounce completely always as a rule when there's a Kshakara. Ksha, right? Namo Namo Mahadbhyaha Kshulakebhyascha.
Namo Namo Mahadbhyaha Kshulakebhyascha.
Give a pause after Mahadbhyaha. Pause, a little bit pause.
Okay. Namo Namo Mahadbhyaha Kshulakebhyascha.
Kshulakebhyascha.
Kshulakebhyascha. Kshulakebhyascha.
Namo Namo Mahadbhyaha Kshulakebhyascha. Namo Namo.
Namo Namo Mahadbhyaha Kshulakebhyascha. Namo Namo. Namo Namo Mahadbhyaha Kshulakebhyascha. Namo Namo.
Kshulake.
Kshulake. Kshulakebhyascha. Kshulakebhyascha. Namo Namo.
Namo Namo Mahadbhyaha Kshulakebhyascha. Namo Namo.
Namo Namo Mahadbhyaha Kshulakebhyascha. Namo Namo. Namo Namo Mahadbhyaha Kshulakebhyascha. क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो
नमो नमो रथिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च
नमो नमो रतेभ्यो रतेभ्यश्च नमो नमो रतेभ्यो रतेभ्यश्च
नमो नमो रथिभ्यो रथिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो
नमो नमो रतेभ्यो रतेभ्यश्च वो नमो 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 रतेभ्यो रतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो
नमो नमो महद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो
नमो नमो महद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रतेभ्यो रतेभ्यश्च वो नमो 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 महद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रतेभ्यो रतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो
we'll have others revise it. Shullaka Mahadbhyaha, to those salutations to Lord Rudra, who is in the form of Mahadbhyaha, to those who are in the form of glorious ones, great people, brilliant Mahadbhyaha, and Kshullaka, not so glorious, not so knowledgeable, Kshullaka, small intellects maybe, great ones, knowledgeable ones, not so knowledgeable, Kshullakam. Okay, small people. Small means in the not so great. So everybody is Rudra, right? Shullakebhyascha. Okay, fine. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Krishna.
Sorry,
Still Thursdays you busy? Or
this Thursday also. I'll miss this Thursday. Next one.
okay.
Next one also I'm free.
Okay,
Thank you.
fine. Good. Hari Om. Okay. Ashish. Ashish, can you hear me? Hari Om. Hari Om.
Hey, yeah, I can hear you.
I thought you're dreaming something.
No, I was listening.
I thought you were dreaming about Shullaka and Mahadbhya. You're thinking about it. That game, to appropriately, you can remove those, some of them, like.
Yeah, so Vidyanti actually said there's a place where you can make your own, like, unscramble the word.
Yeah.
So I can take some of them from that, and then I can add like Madhusudana and Sanjaya.
Yeah, Madhusudana, Sanjaya, whatever names we have from up to verse 4. I think we did 4, right?
So I did I think I've done 5 and 6 with them as well.
Okay. And today from your group, Ashish. Hari Om, Ashish.
Yeah.
From your group today, you can have, after this game will take maybe 5 minutes, right?
The scramble, yeah.
Or maybe more. After this game, from your group, you prepare how we did today in Rudram.
Yeah.
round robin. Okay.
Round. Okay.
2 shlokas without a gap, without a pause. Everybody should get 1 line. Right?
Okay. So which slokas?
Whatever you're doing, whatever shlokas you do today.
Okay. Do you want us to keep moving forward in class today? Like when I just have a breakout room with them, or should I just spend the class reviewing what we've already done?
Yeah, you have to review and see everybody is comfortable to a certain extent. Most of them are, yes, with the pronunciation, and then go to the next verse. Yeah.
Okay, but it's not like we have to get certain verses done. We can just see where they are first,
Yeah,
what they've learned
right.
so far. Okay. Okay.
But the target is to do it minimum, because we have what, 45 minutes. 2 shlokas definitely we have to do. Right?
Okay.
Because in 20 minutes we are doing, of course we don't have 20. Now we 15. Okay, that we'll discuss. Yes. Again, let's see. Shruti chant Parthaya.
ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन घटितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्धिधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्
Anusandadhami. Sandadhami.
सन्धधामि.
Repeat that last 2 lines again.
अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्धधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्.
So today we are doing so 4th, right? Sunita ji, in your class, 4th is not yet done, right? 4th and 5th.
Yeah, we are doing 4th and 5th.
Okay, Jill, can you chant 4th and 5th ones?
ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः सांख्ययोगः। श्रीभगवानुवाच नो श्री अर्जुन उवाच
Oh, that's fine.
कथं भीष्ममहं संख्ये द्रोणं च मधुसूदन इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजार्हा वरिसूदन गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्षमपीह लोके हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान्.
Okay, 25th we did, right? Shanti, you do the 25th.
अव्यक्तोऽयमचिन्त्योऽयम् अविकार्योऽयमुच्यते तस्मादेवं विदित्वा त्वैनं नानुशोचन्तुमर्हसि.
Anything wrong?
Viditvainam
And
Nanu shochitu.
Nanu
Shochitu.
Shochitu Marhasi.
In your book, there is no Shochintu, right? No, right?
It just
But
appeared
then we
like
have to correct that book.
with my magic powers.
So, the magic was
Nanu
Shochitu Marhasi. Yeah. Again, chant once more.
Yes. Avyaktoyamachintyoyam avikaryoyamuchyate tasmadevam viditvainam nanushochitumarhasi.
So, avyaktoyam achintyoyam is equal to anybody? Aprameyam. When you come, avyaktoyam achintyoyam equal to aprameyam. Earlier we have seen it, aprameyam. Aprameyam. Twenty-sixth.
Chandraji, what is Marhasi? Means? I hear a lot of that in previous. Marhasi.
Marhasi. Arhasi means arhata. You should. Nanu shochitu marhasi. You should not. Na anushochitum arhasi. Arhasi means there is no need. You should. Arha. Ata chainam nitya jatam. Pravina ji, do it.
Ata chainam nitya jatam.
Ata chainam nitya jatam.
Ata chainam nitya jatam.
Nityam va manyase mrutam.
Nityam va manyase mritam. Nityam va manyase mritam.
Tathapi tvam mahabaho.
Tathapi tvam mahabaho. Tathapi tvam mahabaho.
Mahabaho. Extended ho. Something like that.
Mahabaho. Mahabaho.
Naivam shochitumarhasi.
Naivam shochitumarhasi. Naivam shochitumarhasi.
Atha chainam nitya jatam. Nityam va manyase mrutam. Tathapi tvam mahabaho. Naivam shochitumarhasi.
Atha chainam nitya jatam. Nityam va manyase mritam. Tathapi tvam mahabaho. Naivam shochitumarhasi.
Shruti.
One more time, Chandraji. Or?
Good, good.
Okay.
Shruti ji, do it.
अथ चैनं नित्यजातं नित्यं वा मन्यसे मृतं तथापि त्वं महाबाहो नैवं शोचितुमर्हसि.
Again.
अथ चैनं नित्यजातं नित्यं वा मन्यसे मृतं तथापि
अथ चैनम
अथ चैनं नित्यजातं नित्यं वा मन्यसे मृतं तथापि त्वं महाबाहो नैवं शोचितुमर्हसि.
Hindi word do it.
अथ चैनं नित्यजातं नित्यं वा मन्यसे मृतं तथापि त्वं महाबाहो नैवं शोचितुमर्हसि. अथ चैनं नित्यजातं नित्यं वा मन्यसे मृतं तथापि त्वं महाबाहो नैवं शोचितुमर्हसि.
Sadhvi, you want to do?
अथ चैनं नित्यजातं नित्यं वा मन्यसे मृतं तथापि त्वं महाबाहो नैवं शोचितुमर्हसि.
Shanti.
अथ चैनं नित्यजातं नित्यं वा मन्यसे मृतं तथापि त्वं महाबाहो नैवं शोचितुमर्हसि.
Ashish, do it.
अथ चैनं नित्यजातं नित्यं वा मन्यसे मृतं तथापि त्वं महाबाहो नैवं शोचितुमर्हसि.
Sunita ji.
अथ चैनं नित्यजातं नित्यं वा मन्यसे मृतं तथापि त्वं महाबाहो नैवं शोचितुमर्हसि.
So 26th and 27th, we said, what is it called? Abhyupetyavada. What is it? Abhyupetya. Abhyupetya means just for argument's sake. Even if you consider Atma as constantly dying, constantly being born again, even then, there is nothing to grieve. Right? So 26th is nothing to grieve. Why? 27th it comes. So just like Kshanika Vijnanavadi, the Buddhist, the Bauddha Matam, they say, right? Atma is Kshanikam Vijnanam. It is born like a light, on, off, voluntarily. Kshanika Vijnanavadi, Bauddha Matam. Right? So in Vedanta, it is not like, but even considering that, even then, if you think for argument's sake, let's say, there's nothing to grieve. Na anushochitum arhasi is saying. You should not, there is no, it doesn't deserve any grief. Why? 27th. Jatasya hi dhruvo mrityuhu. Shruti.
जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः
Dhruvam janma mritasya cha.
ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य च
Dhruvam
ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य च ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य च
तस्मादपरिहार्येऽर्थे
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 I'm not getting the last one now.
it is तस्मादपरिहार्येऽर्थे हार्येऽर्थे
परिहार्येऽर्थे
correct
तस्माद् परिहार्येऽर्थे
don't say tasmat, no, continue that tasmat. If you split, it will be tasmat only, right? But don't split. Tasmadapari tasmadapariharyerthe
तस्मादपरिहार्येऽर्थे तस्मादपरिहार्येऽर्थे
natvam shocitumarhasi
न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि
जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य च तस्मादपरिहार्येऽर्थे न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि
जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य च तस्मादपरिहार्येऽर्थे न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य च तस्मादपरिहार्येऽर्थे न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि.
Yeah. So this is a very famous shloka actually. Many people in Ghantazala పుట్టిన వాడికి మరణం తప్పదు మరణించిన వాడికి పుట్ట అని ఉంటుంది కదా అది ఇక్కడ నుంచి జాతస్య హి ధ్రువో మృత్యు right but the second line is very important. It's a $1 billion statement. $1 million $1 billion tasmat apariharyerthe natvam shocitumarhasi. That's a $1 million statement. Okay, we'll see why. Sadhvi, do it.
जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य च तस्मादपरिहार्येऽर्थे न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि.
Pravina?
जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य च तस्मादपरिहार्येऽर्थे न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि.
Ashish?
जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य च तस्मादपरिहार्येऽर्थे न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि.
So 25, 26, 27, you see anything common? Last line? What is common?
Marhasi.
Huh?
Marhasi.
Naivam shochitu.
Shochitumarhasi, shochitumarhasi, shochitumarhasi. Repeat, right? Nothing deserves grief. Nothing deserves worry, grief, he says. Natvam shochitumarhasi, naivam shochitumarhasi, nanu shochitumarhasi. So, should not grieve at all. There is nothing to grieve at all, he's saying. Okay. Sunita.
जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य च तस्मादपरिहार्येऽर्थे न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि.
Indivar. Indivar.
What is Dhruvam Janma Mritasya cha? What is Dhruvam?
Dhruvam means sure, it is for
confirmed.
sure. Dhruvam, certain. Certain. Because Janma, birth, Jatasya, one who is born, of the born, Jatasya. Right? Shashti Vibhakti, right? Jatasya. One who is born, of the born, death. Mrityu, Dhruvam, certain. Dhruvam, certain.
Confirmed.
ధ్రువం ధ్రువ నక్షత్రం అందుకే ధ్రువ తార అంటాం కదా. ధ్రువం అంటే అసలు కదలలేదు అనమాట, అక్కడ ఉంటుంది, కదులుతుంది. స్టార్స్ అన్ని మూవ్ అవుతాయి అఫ్ కోర్స్ డెఫినెట్లీ, బట్ దెన్ కన్సిడర్ టు అదర్ స్టార్స్ ఇస్ ధ్రువం, స్టేబుల్. హియర్ ఇట్ ఇస్ సర్టన్, రైట్? అండ్ దెన్ జన్మ.
Go ahead.
కంటిన్యూ.
जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य च तस्मादपरिहार्येऽर्थे न त्वं शोचि. जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य च तस्मादपरिहार्येऽर्थे न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि.
So that is the reason. Earlier 26th was, even for argument's sake, even if you think Atma is constantly born and dying, you should not grieve, because anyway, for that which is born, death is certain, and that which is, and after death again born, Janma is certain again. So even if you think some law of conservation of energy, matter is neither created nor destroyed. Definitely, right? So nothing, why are you again? It is neither created nor destroyed. Why unnecessarily grieve over that? It is only changing forms. Changing forms. Right? Vyaktam avyaktam. So going into unmanifest, again manifest. Okay. And that's why tasmad apariharyerdhe, in those situations which are choiceless, apariharyerdhe means choiceless situations. There's no need to worry or grieve about it. Choiceless situations, if possible, you try to, actually choiceless, you can't change it. You have to, it's a fact you have to accept. There's no point grieving over it. There are situations which you can change using your prayaschitta karma, go to some astrologer, do this, that, pujari said this, do that, fine, that's okay. But that is also should not get attached to those prayaschitta karmas also. Okay, let's do this prayaschittam, let's do that prayaschittam, because you will not get time for Vedanta if you keep on doing prayaschitta karmas. Astrologer said this, pujari said this, do this karma, do this for that devata, this devata, we keep on. Otherwise you'll get stuck in the cycle.